Avaya Phone Repair and System Support. The Avaya 18D was introduced and then upgraded to the Avaya 18D Euro 2. These amazing Avaya phones were powered by the Avaya Partner Phone System. This allowed these phones to have capability of multi-lines, 16 programmable buttons, conference calling, shared hold, and of course speakerphone, to name just a few of the quality features of the Avaya Partner phone. Introduced by Lucent and then became the Avaya Partner Phone System, this was a rock-solid business phone system. From 3 to 5 lines, expandable to 48 handsets. This system is no longer made and has no manufacturer support, but we still do. Repair and support of other Avaya handsets. You may need Avaya 1416 repair, or Avaya 9508 repair, or even the Avaya 1408 repair, to name just a few of the models that we can support. Rest assured with us, you have the complete support for Avaya phone repair and Avaya system support, as we are a complete provider of solutions, from handset failures, system reprogramming, troubleshooting, faults and failures, even bad wiring. Telephone system supply. Call us today or visit telephonesystemsupply.com.